Do you want to make better templates and patterns faster? Well, now you can. Learn the power of digital template and pattern making with ExactFlat. We'll show you how. First, we scan the surface using a Creaform 3D scanner. This scan is then processed and cleaned up and made into a 3D model of our templates. Next, we import the 3D model into Rhino 3D and use ExactFlat to condition the 3D model mesh for making 2D templates and patterns. And finally, we use ExactFlat to convert the 3D model into 2D templates and patterns. Why do you use ExactFlat? Because it's always fast, it's always accurate, and it's always easy. If you want to make better patterns and templates in less time, let's connect and we'll show you how.